Hello everyone, this is Shamim and welcome to Simply Shamim 2.0 YouTube channel. Today I will share how to optimize your image for your blog post or your Fiverr Gig image or your YouTube videos thumbnail. If you are a new blogger, this video will be very important for you. So don't skip the video and subscribe my channel to get new video. Okay, let's go. At first, I am give an example. You can see here a image and this image used for a blog post, and you can see here is that URL for this image. The URL are totally unhuman readable, and you can see here is the title is untitled. Here is no title for this image, but when you see this image, also these images are uploading for a blog post, and you can see here is the title, the URL are human readable, and you can see here is the title are Power Girl Editor. So Google can understand very easily what related this image. So now I am discuss about how to optimize a image. Now I am optimize this image, so I am select this and just click on right button from my mouse. Then you can see at last the properties option are available. Now I am click on here. Okay, now I am open my notepad. Here is my title, so I am copy my title and I am paste here my title. Now you can see here is details option are available. Just click on here and you can see here is title, subject, rating, text and comment option are available. Now I am give my title here, and also I am give my title for subject, and you can see here is 5 star option are available. So I am check all star button, and now I am copy my keyword one by one and paste here one by one. This way, at first you give your title, then you copy your keyword one by one and just set here. Okay, when you set all keyword for your image, then you can see here is OK option are available. Now I am click on OK button. This way you can optimize your image to use for a blog post or Fiverr Gig image or your YouTube videos thumbnail.